Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to INFINIX Smart 7. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, tap on I agree. Then tap on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this pop-up about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top. Finally, you can tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of INFINIX. Then go back to an Android and thanks to all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. I will go with those two pictures. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then click Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect thanks to this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on INFINIX. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your INFINIX camera at the code. In order to input this key though, choose Input key section and type in all of those numbers before they expire. Lastly, hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!